Yo, what's up you guys? So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna install another mod on the SI. Last video you guys saw me bag the SI. This video you guys are gonna see me install something that you guys keep bugging me to install. So I will do that right now. I've had these for a while, but I just haven't had the time to install them, nor did I want to, because I didn't have like a cutter or grinder or anything like that. So I'm just like rummaging through all this trash. So as you can see right here, we got all of these wires, and the mod that we're going to be installing is going to be Foglights. I got these when I first got my SI because Johnny from Team SX sold me these headlights for like 20 bucks alongside with the gritty exhaust. But now that you know, your boy kind of got a little experience with wiring, and so does Dylan, we're gonna be installing it today. But yeah, I got both of them in here. Got the wires, all the wires that I need in there, and it's just gonna be a simple install today. But first, what we're gonna do is we're actually going to be sending out over here. We're gonna be sending out the second compressor back to bag riders, because I don't know if I told you guys or I mentioned it, but during the shipping process, the compressor braided line hose was actually broken off. So these two pieces right here are supposed to be together, right? And they're not supposed to be broken off, because as you could see in here, I don't know if you can see that little piece is in there. This part of the compressor broke off. I'm gonna be getting it covered by warranty. Shout out to Bag Riders for always helping me out. Well, for the first time helping me out. But yeah, the customer service is like above anyone I've ever seen before, because called UPS to let them know that your boy needed to pick it up to get ready for Stance Nation. But let's get today started. First, we're gonna be wrapping that up and printing out the USPS shipping label that they had given me, so that it's free shipping. Your boy found a box full of trash. Okay, we're gonna be using this. Luckily it has like all right, there's no air in this, but we could wrap it in that anyways. I still do have bubble wrap from the bag install that we did. As you can see right here. Shout out to Airlift for the dope management and for the dope kits. Let's go. Let's get this all figured out so that it's perfectly safe when we ship it, so that they don't tell me that it's more broken than what it really is. Because honestly, it might just need like a new fitting and a new hose. Like this should be fine. It's just a new fitting, because you could take this off, and a new hose, bro. Let's hope that it doesn't take them that long to get this figured out. Dang, you're just a nice little compressor, aren't you? Yeah. Bag Rider will spare you. Find tape, because your boy don't got tape right now. I gotta find tape, print out that label, and we can go to UPS, ship it out, go to the gym, get the gains. Then after that, I will be able to install the Foglights with Dylan. Dang, dude, I hate like not having all the things I need right now, but we can find it or make something work. Looking all nice. Probably overdid it with all the duct tape, but you can never be too careful, you know, because UPS people and USPS, they always just be like whatever. But I know that this is secure now. It's not gonna move. See that? Let me give you guys a cold start and an air up. Now, see, more content for y'all. See, now that I'm back, I got you with the air up too. Y'all, let me show you something really cool about 3P. We got the airlift management right there. Look at this, boss. Look at this. Alright, so we got the app going on. It's already connected. I have to do manual. Back feels that the exhaust is hitting the frame, so it's not letting the air out all the way, so I have to like do it manually. But look at this. First of all, just admire that. Look at that fitment though. But check this out. Woo, pretty fast. That's a pretty fast air up. I got 3/8 lines, so it goes up pretty quick, honestly. But yeah, let's go to UPS, drop off this package so that I can get my second compressor up here, and then let's go to the gym. I swear, bro, I've been living in Antioch for a while now, bro, but like, still don't know where UPS is. Honestly, Antioch got that booty connection when it comes to like LTE, AT&T. I know Verizon works well here, but boy, they need to work on that AT&T connection, bro, because I can't find UPS anywhere. Yeah, so we found it, guys. Let's get this package all secured away. Okay, so it's gone. Let us get these gains and we can get to the install. Man, I always start the day hella late, but while I got you guys' attention, I don't know if y'all knew, your boy got gains. And friend Adrian hooked it up like a while ago, but he hooked it up with a new pre-workout. It's called Beyond Lit. So you know, not take it, I get Beyond Lit. Yeah, I got the peach and mango flavor, and it's hella good. Yeah, I don't know if you guys really even want to watch me talk about this stuff, but I guess it's just cool to like share a little piece of my life with y'all. Look how good that looks, bruh. This looks yummy. So I'm gonna take this, go to the gym, work out, and I'll see you guys at the house so that we can do more kartings. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about when I say I can't really air out. Watch. Watch the back. See? It like airs it up, and I have to do it manually. Just because it's hecka awkward when people be looking at me. Drop it down like 20, like around there. 10. I could even go like, yeah, like 9. To be honest. Alright, it's gains o'clock time. Let's go. Woo! To be honest, I could totally clear that, but it just goes to show you how cool bags really are, bruh. Okay, first off, we're gonna wait for Dylan to cut these fog light holes right here, and then it should bolt up automatically with those fog lights right there. So first, we're gonna go into the behind the windshield washer, and there should be a brown wire around here. We are able to put the connector to for the fog lights. Let me find it and then I'll get back to you guys. Hey, Dylan's here. So I already got the fog lights mocked up. We have the brown connector right here, and that is for the fog lights. That's the connection that goes to the fog lights, and then we grounded it right here onto the bracket of where my hybrid racing intake is. We have the left one and the right one, but with this, for some reason, this connection or this thing that was on it that would usually connect onto there wouldn't fit. So I'm just gonna leave it like this, and then I'm just gonna electrical tape this whole thing so that it stays in place. And now Big Daddy Dylan is finding out the inside. So for the controller, what's up, y'all? So we found the brown plug that connects the other white section of the little button. Dude, Dylan knows more about the stuff I bought for my car than I do.
Don't work.
This is why you guys hire professionals to install your shit.
Touch that with Birdo. I don't know what the hell.
Birdo, bruh. Birdo's the one. Birdo's always messing up my car, bro. Ever since I went bagged, he got jealous that like I'm bagged and shit, you know. So it's okay, Birdo. Maybe next you could be as low as me sometime in the future, but as of right now, you ain't got the juice no more, bruh. Sorry. In this little thing that we got, we are gonna. Yeah, I don't know which one to use, bros. Dylan! What you mean? Don't we have to connect it into the fuse box?
Yeah, this is gonna go straight into the fuse box.
You can do it?
Yeah, you have a little portion on your fuse box. So this one.
I don't do wiring, y'all.
And then, you might need to do another one. Let's see.
Turn your 5-piece though. It was like $10. Harbor Freight, sponsor me, bro. I have all your tools. Oh, now we're gonna be removing this. Oh shit. Yeah, so you rip this off.
If you want to install the way I did.
Let me show y'all. So, you have it off, right? You grab this button. Yes. Alright, so like that. And then you wait, is it upside down like this? Alright, so you grab this and you just damn. You know, that's it, guys. Alright, that's the finish. That's the install right there. We just want to install the button. Yeah, and then so you grab this green connection and you connect it back into the back of this. The fog light button in place. We have all this wiring that we're gonna need to plug into the fuse box, but we're still trying to figure it out because we might need to go stop by Home Depot or O'Reilly. Most likely Home Depot or Lowe's, so that we can get those connectors, or Harbor Freight. I'm pretty sure Harbor Freight has it. We just need the ones that like you can put this into like one of those connectors that can plug into a fuse box. Hey guys, off the Vato zone we go. We have to get those added connector things so that we can connect to the fuse box. Yeah, so let's go. Look at this guy acting like he laying. Acting like he laying frame. One day, I'll have 3-piece wheels. One day. As let's see if Dylan can get over this little bump.
Ooh. Nothing.
Oh my
Send it, dude.
God. Oh, that hurt me, bruh. Alright, so we got finished with Vato Zone, and we got the connectors. So we got this one right here, this fuse tap, whatever, and then we got this one right here. So it's an easy ID, so if you guys blow a fuse, it'll light up, which is pretty cool. It's hella cheaper than the other one. This is like $8, this was like $6, so a total of like $16 after tax. So we're gonna go home now, see if these fog lights work. Guys, while Dylan's doing all the electrical stuff, I will be cutting the fog light holes because we need to fit these in there. It's pretty easy, just cut a hole around here. I'm not the best at cutting stuff, but we'll make it fit, bro. Guys, so we got the fog lights mounted, and as you can see, that one looks perfect, right? Right there. But then if you look at this one has like hella holes, and you could see it. But this one used to have hella holes too. But if you go in the back, as you can see, we duct tape the hole so that you can't really see it with black duct tape. So if you guys are like me and don't know how to cut, then this is what you can do with black duct tape and some ideas, you know. So see, build humbly, y'all. Don't make fun of people who don't know how to cut, bro, because we got it, bro. But only you guys will know this. If you see me at Stance Nation, don't mention it. It's good. See, but yeah, guys, there you go. Let's put on the bumper and see how it looks. All right, first off, we're gonna explain how what the wiring job Dylan did. I'm gonna go on the other side. Oh my God, bro.
Alright, so we have this one right here, and this one is the add a circuit connector right there. It has two 15s, and then so you put it onto slot number 6. It is right there, and then the other connector is right up here, this one. So this one goes to the bottom right connector in this small square right here, and then so it just has one of those female connectors like that, and then it goes onto the prong up there. And then we also have this one up here, and that it goes to the brown plug up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And yeah, that's about it.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys like the install. Yeah, you guys keep telling me I should put on the fog lights. I was like, alright, I'll give the people what they want. So we did it, and actually it looks really, really good. And I hope you guys like that cinematic edit I did as well. For me personally, I really don't like yellow fog lights, but it doesn't look too bad. Might switch it out for clear ones later on, but for now, the yellow ones work. Extra cool points for Stance Nation. And if you guys are going to Stance Nation, let me know, because I will be going as well. So it'd be really cool to meet up with you guys and chop it up. See what we can do, bro. And then I also have stickers too. I know I haven't put out the stickers yet, but I do have the stickers ready, and I've been lazy, so yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on that, but I will bring my stickers at Stance Nation. So if you want one, it's like $4. Venmo me, Cash App me, and then I'll give you a sticker, bro. But yeah, freaking sick. Well, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. Gonna be pushing out more content for you guys. Still gotta do my trunk setup, and it's gonna be sick. So make sure you guys stay tuned, build humbly, and until next time, catch you guys later. Peace.